Okay, in this variation we're going to learn how to make eyelets and create a design. And the designs and pictures can be drawn out on a piece of graph paper first. And the picture that I chose is quite simple. It's got 5 rows that we're going to do to make a diamond. The first row that you'll do is this X here that will be in the middle of your warp. So to do that, you lift your shed and remember to make sure that your right hand thread when you lift your shed is up. Go to the middle of your warp and a little bit over and beat it. Change your shed and go under 3 warps. Change your shed and go under the 3 warps and then go all the way over to your selvage on the left side. That's your first row done. Now just change your shed and go back to the right side. Beat it. Now we're going to do row number 2, which has 2 X's on either side of that one that you did last time. So to do this, change your shed so that your thread is up on the right. Go all the way over to these 3 threads that are on the right of the eyelet that you did on the last row. Beat it. Change your shed. Go back under 3. Pull it a little tight. Change your shed. Go back under those 3. Plus under the 3 from the last row. And then under the 3 for the eyelet that you're going to make on the left side. Give it a beat. Now change your shed and go under 3. And then change your shed again and go all the way over to your left selvage. Give it a beat. So now you've done row 1 and this is row 2. Change your shed and get your shuttle over to the right side. Now we're going to go on to row 3, and the row 3 has an X further to the left and then further to the right, and you're going to omit 3 in the middle. So change your shed so your right thread is up. Go over to these 3 threads that are just to the right of your last eyelet. Change your shed and pull it tight. Go under 3 there. Give it a little beat. Now this time when you go back, you go under the 3 with the eyelet that you just made, and then you go under the 9 here because you're omitting the 3 in the middle. And then you go under 3 more for your new eyelet on the left. Pull it a little tight. Change your shed and just go under 3. Pull it tight and then go back under 3 here. And then all of your warp threads to the very left selvage. And you've got, that's your 3rd row done. Change your shed and go back to the right. Now we're going to bring our diamond in, so we're going to do the exact row that we did for row number 2, will be row number 4 there. So change your shed so that your right thread is up there. We'll miss this eyelet, we don't want to do anything with it, and we'll go to these 3 threads. Change your shed, go under 3 there. Change your shed, miss the middle, take up these 3, and then take up 3 here to make the eyelet on the left. Change your shed, go under 3. Change your shed, go under those 3 and all the way to the left. And give that a beat. And there's your, so now you've got 1 eyelet here, 2 here, 2 here, and now you're going back in and you've got 2 there. And this will be your last row, and you'll make one right in the middle. Change your shed so your right thread is up. Go to your middle, which is right there. Go under those. And then take those 3 and go back to the right after you change your shed. Give it a beat. Go under 3 there and go all the way to the left side. And that's it. You've got your picture. I hope you can see it. You've got a little bit of a diamond happening there.